Hello, and welcome to Math Matters. I'm Dr. Jameson, and today we're going to learn about tools to measure angles and begin understanding how to measure angles. You may want to take some notes, so gather something to write with and paper. I'll wait. Welcome back. Now take a look at the screen. What do you notice? What are you wondering about? One full turn around a point can be divided into 360 parts. Each part is called a degree and is 1/360th of a full turn. We use this symbol for a degree. So one full turn around a point is 360 degrees. This protractor can measure angles with a total of 360 degrees or less. Notice that yellow part of the protractor represents the measure of the angle. What is the measure of the angle represented in the yellow of the protractor? If you said 90 degrees, then you're correct. We start at 0 degrees and then went around until the yellow section ended at 90 degrees. Now notice the yellow part of the protractor. What angle is it representing? If you said 150 degrees, then you are correct. We start at 0 degrees and then went around until the yellow section ended with 150 degrees. Protractors also come in sizes that measure angles up to 180 degrees. Take a moment to look at these two protractors. What is the same about them and what is different? Did you notice that both the green and red angles fall on the 70 and 110 degree mark? Which angle measures 110 degrees? If you said the green angle measures 110 degrees, then you are right. The green angle is an obtuse angle, so it cannot measure 70 degrees, but 110 degrees. The red angle is an acute angle, and so it measures 70 degrees. I think you're ready for a challenge. Take a moment to look at these two protractors. What is the same and what is different? Did you notice that both of these angles measured 60 degrees? Both of these angles are acute angles. In image 1, one leg of an angle begins at 0 degrees, and then I counted by tens and stopped at 60 degrees. In image 2, I counted the spaces between the two angle legs by 10 and ended with 60 degrees of space between the two angle legs. Let's reflect. Protractors are tools we use to measure angles. When measuring angles, we are looking at the space between the two angle legs. Think about something you are wondering and something you have learned today. Write it down. Hold on to it until you return to school. So in today's episode of Math Matters, we learned about tools to measure angles and began learning how to measure angles. I hope you have a great mathematical day and keep on measuring angles. I'm Dr. Jameson.